welcome to the Toy Movie Maker Show. Today we're going to be doing the What Is It challenge. So this basically is, we have a donut and there's something on it, and when we take a bite into it or lick it, we have to guess what it is. So this is actually really scary and really exciting. You ready?
Yeah, it's fair, man.
Okay, so we have these blindfolds here, and we're going to put them on and then taste the donut and see what it is. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is mine backwards?
Okay.
Is mine backwards, guys?
Oh no, I can't see. Oh, dude. Oh, messed up.
Try to do without your eyes open.
Okay.
You're cheating.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so let's go.
I can see.
I can't see.
I
I can feel the plate. Okay, here we go. Alright.
I can't.
See where it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm picking it from the back.
Don't like it.
Did you eat it?
Uh-uh.
Oh my god. No.
Look, can we take a mask off?
I feel like chocolate. Taste chocolate. Oh, I know what this is. It's chocolate icing and marshmallow.
Marshmallow, yeah.
Let's see what we got. That was good. That was really good.
Hey, I'm in more.
Okay, so I like this one. This is really good. I thought it was going to be something disgusting. What do you think about it?
Well, I didn't like the chocolate.
Really? Well, on to the next one.
On the next one.
Okay, here's the next one. Oh, I don't know what it's going to be. Here's a plate. What? I can feel it. Scared.
No. This tastes like Doritos.
No, I like this one. Oh. Yeah.
It's Doritos and a donut. Yeah, I think so.
I taste chip. Yeah, I guess it does taste like Doritos. Oh gosh. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, I was right.
Oh yeah, you were. Oh no, I don't like this one.
I like
Ugh. I'm not a big fan of Doritos. So you liked it?
Mhm.
Oh, I don't like this one. I like the glaze though. Yeah. Doritos. Okay, on to the next one. Let's go.
Huh?
Are you ready for the next challenge?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oh. Ugh, I hate this one. It's disgusting. Oh god. Ah. I think you're over there, but I hate this one. This is disgusting.
I think it's a jelly and donut and Oreos. Yeah.
It does taste like jelly, but I didn't really taste the Oreo. And there's something hard, but I didn't taste the
It's
Oreo.
Oreo
It is?
and jelly and a donut.
Or is your mask? Oh wow, it is. How'd you guess that?
I don't know.
What? Okay, that was disgusting for me. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Mhm.
Oh wow, I hate this one. It's disgusting. Okay, Landon, you ready for the next challenge?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is gonna be. Ugh.
Let's go good.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah.
Tastes like onions.
Yeah. It is onions and a donut.
Really?
Uh-huh.
This one's good. I think it's like some sort of like fried onion. It was really good.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I was right.
Oh wow!
Yeah, I was right.
They were French fried onions.
I was right.
Everyone, so far this hasn't been too bad. Hopefully the next one isn't bad. Okay, everyone, this is the second to last challenge. You ready, Landon?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Okay.
Oh, it's.
This smells horrible. No, I'm not eating it. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's probably like boogers.
It's not boogers.
It's not?
What do you think?
What do you think it is?
It's
Oh wow! Check it. Oh my gosh! It's disgusting. I can't believe I put that in my. Almost put that in my mouth. Ugh. Sardines. Ugh. 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 Oh yeah, this is not happening.
I'm not doing that.
Okay, everyone, on to the last challenge.
Whoa. Oh, that's your.
Wait. Oh yes, that's yours. Okay. Oh whoa! It has a trigger. It sounds like the Nerf gun we play with in Oklahoma. Let's see what it is. Ready? How'd you shoot it?
Oh, mine.
Wow, this is a Nerf gun. It was a Star Wars Nerf gun that we played with in Oklahoma. Make sure you check out that video. That was fun.
Camera is locked.
This is fun. I'm gonna shoot you. And then, how do I take this one? Okay, everyone, so this is the What Is It challenge. This is fun. The horrible part was the sardines. I almost put that in my mouth. Ugh. Make sure you leave a like down below, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.